Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by enabling the Identity API and creating an Oauth2. Zero client ID in the Cloud Console. This gives you the client ID and client secret you need. Once done, add exact authorized redirect URIs for development and production so tokens return correctly. You should store secrets in environment variables or a secrets manager rather than source code. Make sure to choose the right application type, web, desktop, or mobile, because that changes the OAuth flow you'll implement next. You build the authorization URL including client ID, scope, response type equals code, and redirect URI, then direct the user there so they grant consent. Once they return with a code, immediately exchange that code at Google's token endpoint for an access token and refresh token. This is how you get long-lived access without reprompting. You must validate the ID token signature and claims to confirm the user identity. Also, handle incremental scopes and reconsent so your app requests only what it generates. You finalize setup by implementing token refresh logic. Use the refresh token to obtain new access tokens when they expire and persist refresh tokens securely. When users sign out, revoke tokens to prevent misuse and plan client secret rotation to reduce risk. If you hit errors, check the common redirect mismatch first. Google matches exact URIs including trailing slashes and ports. If authorization fails, inspect scopes and consent configuration. And finally, log responses and error codes to quickly pinpoint misconfigured parameters or clock skew on your server.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.